Let's start by peeling our potatoes. Cut your potatoes into pieces. Wash your potatoes. Wash and put them in the pan.
So fun.
Try and make sure it's soft. I'm going to remove the heat. And just run it under cold water for about a minute. Add some mustard, mix it together.
Mom, by the way, it looks
like what?
pancakes.
Mashed potatoes. Going. Add your eggs. Stir together. Add some dill relish.
The relish? Celery.
Add your mixture of mayonnaise. Add a little bit of chopped onions.
Mix all ingredients together.
I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper.
Pepper. Make sure it's not that spicy.
A little bit.
Just 2. Not so much.
Yeah. Just make it pretty. That's all.
And
Then
in the
you
video.
add a little bit of herbs.
Herbs? I never seen herb.
It's parsley.
Parsley?
We are going to refrigerate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in another video. Bye-bye. You have to say something?
Please leave a comment.